What's up, guys? Jesse here with Jesse Does It. I'm not supposed to be in the shop today. So just yesterday I had a little surgery and I'm supposed to be sitting on a pack of peas, apparently frozen peas, corn, I don't know. Anyways, I couldn't take it anymore. I had to come out in the garage. I wanted to do just something because I'm just going wild watching nothing but YouTube and kind of running out of things to watch. So if you have a good suggestion for something for me to watch, go ahead and put that down below. In the meantime, I'm gonna tinker because that's what I do. So I don't have much to do today. Just wanted to kind of put out a video. That way I can tell you guys what's going on and keep giving you the best content that I possibly can, because you know that's what it's all about, right? So today we're going to wrap the Mustang fuel line in some heat shield. I have some stuff here, supposedly rated for like 2200 degrees. I don't want to have vapor lock in my fuel line, so I'm going to just kind of prevent that from happening. It did happen once. Couldn't get it to duplicate again, but one time, just kind of out of nowhere, fumbled on its face, stalled out and died no matter how much gas I gave it. And that was with the new carburetor. So I know, I'm pretty positive it was vapor lock. Hasn't done it since, been ripping on it pretty hard. No other issues whatsoever, but let's go ahead and do this today and maybe talk a little bit while we're doing it. All right, stay tuned. Also, while I've got you here, I don't know if you noticed, wife was giving me some crap about the messy garage, and watching back in my videos, it really was a mess. So last weekend, nope, 2 weekends ago, I spent the entire day in here. Yeah, just kind of went through the whole place, set up some more shelves for more storage. I've got this new tool area, which was just a cluster of junk, and just kind of cleaned up everything as best as I can. I don't know that I've seen the top of my toolbox, and yeah, there's stuff on it, but I haven't seen the top of my toolbox look like this in a long time. So freed up a bunch of space in here and made it much more enjoyable to work in. Still have a lot of stuff. It's not the biggest garage in the world, but it works for what I'm trying to do. It used to be my fishing garage, and now it's the Mustang garage, so yay. So as I was saying, the fuel line is just kind of wide out here in the open, and I'm going to cover it up in this heat shield. I don't think I'm going to do this little piece right here, but I am definitely going to do the big long hose. Maybe while I'm here, I can kind of clean up a few wires, put some wire loom on them and zip tie them all together, make that a little bit nicer. But the main goal would be to do this. So we're just gonna unzip the band clamps, top and bottom, measure out the length, cut, slide over, put it all back together. Definitely gonna smell like fuel in here, so the wife will know that I was out here working. She probably will yell at me. But hey, I gotta do what I gotta do, right? I can't sit on the couch with frozen peas and do that all day. So I had to just get a little bit of stuff out here. So, yep. All right, we're gonna do that real quick. So we've got the fuel line unplugged. I'm not gonna take it all the way off. I don't think I need to do that and spill all that fuel all over the place. So I got the top unmounted from the filter. Let's take this off here. On this heat shield, it's gonna fray, right? So I just kind of tuck it in like that, and then slide that over. Just like putting on socks. Of course, I am getting fuel all over the place now. All right, we've got that. Drop my bit. Cut a little bit long, because like I said, we're gonna tuck that back in. You want some good sharp scissors for that. Pull it off a little bit. Tuck it and then slide it back on. Now, how is it gonna stay? You might be asking. I'm asking myself that too. But it came with some metal zip ties. So let's put those on. Put one down at the bottom and then one at the top. Tighten them up real good and should be it. I think I need a pair of pliers for this, so let me grab those. I lied, I'm pulling the thing off. And we're gonna have to clip this one off because I screwed it up already. Yay. Good thing it sent extras. So I'm just gonna put it right above the clamp there. The cool thing about this is I don't need it to be crazy tight. I was thinking I would take some needle nose, kind of do the twist to tighten it. I mean, that's fine, but it doesn't have to be crazy tight on this rubber. So we'll cut off the excess here, and it's not going nowhere. So we'll do the same thing up here. Voila. I'm dropping everything today. And like that, we're done. I'm just gonna tighten it back up. And just like that, simple, easy peasy. The fuel line should be much cooler now, less affected by radiant heat. So pump it over, prime the fuel back up, fire it up, and that's good to go for that. Like I said, I might tinker around with the wires, put some wire loom on. I don't know what else I'll get into today. While I've got you here, just kind of wanted to talk things over. Want your feedback, really, honestly. Would love to hear what you want to see in Jesse Does It. I posted the camping trip last weekend with the family. That was great. I thought the video was great. Hopefully you did too. We like to get out and have some fun sometimes. It's not all about just projects that I work on. As far as projects though, I've got the Bronco, F-250, and the Mustang. Those are kind of my three little toys that I play with. What would you like to see? Now, obviously I don't have unlimited funds, but there is some stuff that I'd love to do in the future. I'd love to put long tube headers on the Mustang, true dual exhaust with an X pipe, make it sound much better and add some flow, better flow to it. I would love to put a different rear end with lower gears so that I can spin them tires quicker. And speaking of spinning the tires, I'd like to spin both tires. So I'd love to put a limited slip in there as well. I was thinking maybe 355, maybe 373 gears. That might be too high with a 3-speed, but I mean, it's not a long distance cruiser. It's more of a around the town ripper. So 373 could be fun. Let me know what you think. Also, I've got an off-road trip coming up next month. So the Bronco is going to need a little bit of attention. It really kind of just sits there and gets driven to the store every now and then. Doesn't really get used much, so I need to go through a few things before that trip, so I will be making a video on that. Also, I realize I have not done an overview of the Bronco and what all I have already done to it. As you know, it has 05 plus 1-ton solid axles front and rear. It has King coilovers, it has King 2.5 resis in the back, it has D reliefs, it has lockers front and rear, it has hydro assist steering. It has a lot done to it, but I haven't really shown all that. So I'd love to go through that. It also has a roll cage. I mean, it's set up for my off-road rock crawling. So that's kind of one of those cool little things that I did a while ago prior to making my YouTube videos, unfortunately. That would have been awesome to have had all that footage, but I didn't film any of it. Need to go over that. I can also do a getting prepped for the off-road trip, so I can make a video on the tools that I use, the things that I go over on the truck to make sure everything's ready, checking fluids, things like that, making sure everything's good to go on that. I think I will go ahead and make that video here in the next couple weeks. Don't have much else to do upcoming, unfortunately, so I kind of need to find out what I want to do next. So let me know what you think. Tell me how I'm doing. If you think I suck, then tell me I suck. You suck! You want to see certain things, check that out. Let me know. I'll see what I can do about getting that done for you. Other than that, I appreciate every one of you that have been here for me throughout this journey so far, and I'm looking forward to what's coming up next. Don't know what it is yet, but I'm still going to keep doing this filming thing. So like I said, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Love all that. I reply to every comment that I can. follow back if you got footage on your channel too. I love following other cool YouTube pages as well. Let me know some YouTube channels that I need to watch. I'm sitting around for the next couple days doing not much anything, so I'd love some footage to take a look at and some stuff to watch. That'd be cool. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you. As always, I am Jesse with Jesse Does It. Till the next project.